Yes, good morning all. Did you all enjoy your vacation? Everybody is fine at home?
Yes, ma'am.
Everybody is fine at
Yes.
home? All your relatives are fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Very
Yes,
good.
ma'am.
Good. God bless everybody around us. It's going to be a tough time. You just have to face with it with positive note. And when we try to recapitulate, we have finished with chapter 1, 2, and 3. The third chapter, we did the properties of quadrilaterals, which is really very important. Till the time you learn maths, you need those properties. Now we are going to start with a new chapter, practical geometry. But before starting with that new chapter, today I have planned, let me revise the properties first, 5-10 minutes. Then I will start with the new chapter. One more thing, for the new chapter, you all need to have geometrical instruments with you. So from tomorrow, you are going to sit with all your geometrical instruments. Today, I'll only guide you how to construct. Your compass, your pencil, your ruler, your eraser should be there with your notebook. Okay? Am I clear to all? Am I clear to all?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Let me just show you one video to recapitulate the properties of quadrilaterals.
मैम मुझे क्वेश्चन में डाउट है, मैं पूछ सकता हूँ अभी?
बोलो.
मैम जो लीनियर इक्वेशन वाला क्वेश्चन चैप्टर है ना मैम, उसकी एक्सरसाइज 2.4 के क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 में
बताते हैं अभी. We'll start with quadrilaterals. Can you all see the screen? Children, can you all see?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, next week se start exam.
9th onwards. You'll get the date sheet. Don't worry. Lakshit, audio on, audio off, video on. Everybody, same rule. Video on, audio off. Otherwise, it will create disturbance in the class. Now just see to it.
Welcome to Math and Science. In this video, I'd like to look at quadrilaterals. All quadrilaterals have 4 sides. In this video, we will look at a kite, a parallelogram, a rhombus, a rectangle, a square, trapezoid, and isosceles trapezoid. Let's get started. Rhombuses and squares. These shapes. Each of these, which is a closed figure composed of lined segments. They also are considered to be quadrilaterals, which mean they each have 4 sides. They also are all parallelograms, which means they have opposite sides that are parallel, and a square. What is a rhombus? A rhombus is most commonly recognized as a diamond, but they are not limited to this shape. Let's take a look at 14 properties of a rhombus. A rhombus is a quadrilateral, which means it has 4 sides. In addition, each of these sides are congruent or equal.
You're not able to see?
मैम बीच में टक रही है, मैम बहुत बीच में टक रही है।
आपकी आवाज भी टक रही है बहुत ज्यादा।
A rhombus has opposite angles that are congruent.
Rhombus has opposite angles equal. I'm repeating the steps.
The diagonals of a rhombus are perpendicular.
Diagonals of rhombus are perpendicular.
The diagonals of a rhombus form 4 congruent
All
interior
the 4
triangles.
triangles form the congruent.
The diagonals of a rhombus bisect each other. This means that they cut each other in
Diagonals
half.
bisect each other.
The formula for finding the perimeter of a rhombus equals
Perimeter is
P
formed by
equals 4.
multiplying 4 with side.
Formula for area
मैम
equals
आवाज नहीं आ पा रही.
diameter 1 times diameter 2.
मैम आपकी आवाज नहीं आ
Rhombus
रही.
has all the
I'm not
properties of a
speaking right
parallelogram.
now. I'm speaking. Rhombus
These
has all the
include
properties of parallelogram.
Opposite sides are congruent. The opposite angles are congruent. The diagonals bisect each other. All squares can be considered a rhombus.
All squares are rhombus.
कट क्या रही है आवाज?
The diagonals of a rhombus bisect
Maybe
each
because
other,
the network issue, it's
but
not
they
from
do
my
not
side.
have to be the same length.
I can't help it.
Hello, welcome to Moo Math. In this video, I'd like to talk about properties of a rectangle.
मैम आप वीडियो का लिंक व्हाट्सएप पे लिंक भेज देना.
Four sides. A rectangle is a four-sided polygon with opposite sides being parallel. In addition,
नाम कुछ समझ नहीं
a
आ रहा.
rectangle has
I saw them. It's an issue from your side, not from my side. Let me just check.
60 degrees.
ठीक आ रही है आवाज.
Let's talk
I'm
about
saying something wrong for my side.
rectangle of equal
मैम आवाज अटक रही है. आवाज नहीं आ रही.
the diagonal.
Okay. But in the other class also, I showed it was quite clear. Maybe there's some network issue. Okay, we'll start with the new chapter then. Don't worry. I just wanted to recapitulate all the properties of quadrilaterals before starting the construction. Are you all carrying right now geometry boxes?
Yes, ma'am.
Or I'll tell you the method how we are going to construct quadrilaterals. From tomorrow, I should not see any child without geometry box. Akul, I'm removing you. Asad, I'm removing the children whose videos are off. As simple as this. I can't repeat this instruction. Not at all. Not at all. Can you all see this PPT?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
The topic of the PPT is chapter name, Practical Geometry. This is chapter number 4. In this chapter, we are going to learn geometry. What is geometry? It deals with shapes,
क्या आ रही है?
size.
मैम आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही ढंग से.
बेटा आपके नेट में प्रॉब्लम
आ
है
रही है
कुछ?
बहुत.
नेट में प्रॉब्लम है. I am using mic and my net is fine. And I can't help it. I can't help it. Lot of disturbance from your end. Lot of disturbance at your end. Now, measurement. अब आ रही है?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So I have removed the mic now then. It's very important part of our life. Now we are going to learn construction of quadrilaterals in this chapter.
Ma'am, तो पहला
What different type of quadrilaterals can be there? Quadrilateral has 10 parts, 4 sides, 4 angles, and 2 diagonals. These are the line segments of quadrilateral. 4 sides, 4 angles, and 2 diagonals. Then 5 measurements can be determine a quadrilateral uniquely. To draw, to construct, very good. Akib, I'm removing you. You're yawning in the class. Very good. We need 5 measurements to draw or to construct a quadrilateral. कम से कम हमको 5 measurements चाहिए होते हैं. To draw it uniquely. A unique quadrilateral can be constructed and be with 4 sides and one diagonal is given.
मैम आवाज ढंग से नहीं आ रही है आपकी.
Four sides and one diagonal is required. First type of construction is that 4 sides and one diagonal, and second is 2 diagonals and 3 sides, and third form is 2 adjacent sides and 3 angles. When you open your book, you're going to see these 4 cases which you are going to construct in this chapter. आपको या तो 4 sides दी होंगी, एक diagonal दिया होगा, या 2 diagonals दी होंगी, 3 sides दी होंगी साथ में, या 2 adjacent sides और 3 angles दिए होंगे, या फिर 3 sides and 2 included angles. Let's see. First case is the type of quadrilateral where 4 sides and 1 diagonal is given. This is the case number 1. You need to refer your book also. This is the video which will help you to understand how to draw, how to construct quadrilateral of this type. What are you saying, Saksham?
I am saying that please send this link.
Let us see how to
इसका लिंक WhatsApp पे भेज देना, Google Classroom पे मत करना.
WhatsApp पे I will not send anything. Can you see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you see a video screen?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No मैम.
मैम आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही.
मैम आप म्यूट हो गए, अपने आप को अनम्यूट कर.
Can you all see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
This video will help you to understand how, because this is a chapter of construction. You need to understand how to draw a quadrilateral when 4 sides and 1 diagonal is given. Let's see first, then we'll stop in between the video and we'll construct also.
let us take the given example. Equals 4.5 centimeter.
मैम आवाज नहीं आ रही.
BC equals 5.5 centimeter. CD equals 4 centimeter.
Here it is drawing quadrilateral.
7
4 sides
centimeter.
and 1 diagonal is given. 4
Solution.
sides and 1 diagonal is given. How
The
should
rough
we proceed?
sketch of quadrilateral
First rough sketch to be
ABCD
drawn.
is 4.5 centimeter. Step 2. With A as
My volume is
center,
maximum.
draw an arc of radius 7 centimeter, and with B as center, draw an arc of radius 5.5 centimeter. Both the arcs cut
Drawing
each
the rough
other at
sketch is
C.
Are you able to hear now?
Step 3.
Children, are you
Join
able to
AC
hear now?
and BC.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes ma'am.
4.
Ma'am.
With C as center, draw an arc of radius 4 centimeter, and with A as center, draw an arc of radius 6 centimeter. Both the arcs cut each other at D. Step 5. Join AD and CD. ABCD
हमें स्टेप से लिखने
require quadrilateral.
हाँ जी, लिखने होंगे steps.
We have seen that first draw a triangle with the available
मैम नहीं सुन रहा
data.
कुछ.
Write these steps first. Write these steps. And tomorrow along with me, you are all going to construct this. I'll repeat the steps and you all are going to construct it. Write the steps. You write the condition, case number 1.
कल बनाना है ये.
अगर कंपास नहीं है तो अभी आप लोग बोल रहे हैं ना कि we have not got the instruments. That's why I am saying. That's
मैम
why
अगर
I'm
हमारे पास है तो अभी बना ले।
हाँ जी, अभी बना लो अगर आपके पास है तो, वेरी गुड।
मैम स्टेप भी लिखने हैं ना?
हाँ जी, स्टेप्स लिखने हैं, बिल्कुल लिखने हैं। राइट द स्टेप नंबर 1, राइट द क्वेश्चन फर्स्ट, राइट द केस नंबर,
बना ले।
राइट केस नंबर 1, when 4 sides and 1 diagonal are given, when 4 sides and 1 diagonal are given,
मैम आपकी स्क्रीन क्लियर नहीं आ रही।
बेटा ये नेटवर्क पे दिखा था, that I cannot help. From my side screen is totally clear. I can send you the recording afterwards. It's completely clear, perfect clear. Am I audible now?
हम लोग इस पीपीटी को भेजोगे?
भेज देंगे पीपीटी।
Ma'am, we have to write this in register.
Yes बेटा, this is a fair work. केस नंबर 1 आपको बताया तो है हमने 4 टाइप के क्वाड्रिलेटरल्स ड्रॉ करेंगे आप। ये केस नंबर 1 है, when 4 sides and 1 diagonal are given. Write the question, write the steps. Those who have got the geometrical instruments right now, they will construct with me according to the steps. First step, I'll again show you if you want. One by one we can see the step. One by one we can see the step. First step was...
Example. Construct a quadrilateral A equals 4.5 centimeter, BC equals 5.5 centimeter,
Draw the rough sketch first.
CD
Rough sketch can be
equals
drawn
4
with
centimeter,
free hand. Rough sketch can be
AD
drawn with
equals
hand.
6 centimeter.
मैम आवाज बहुत कट कट के आ रही है।
The rough sketch of quadrilateral
There's no use of
ABCD
repeating this again and again,
is shown in the
because I
figure.
have to, which I can't help.
Step 1. Draw the line segment
First step here, draw.
equals 4.5 centimeter. Step 2. With A as center,
Step 2 is with put the compass metal point at A, open it for 7 centimeter, draw an arc of 7 centimeter. A से 7 centimeter का एक आर्क लगाएंगे. From A, draw an arc of 7 centimeter. After this video, I'm going to see your work. Draw an arc of radius 7 centimeter. Have you all drawn? Children, have you drawn?
No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Then from B, draw an arc of radius 5.5. Draw an arc of radius
A से कितने की
7. सक्षम क्या प्रॉब्लम है बेटा आपके साथ?
की?
मैंने 5 बार रिपीट किया, 5 times I repeated. From A, draw an arc of 7 centimeter. I repeated this statement 5 times, and it is shown on the screen also.
कंपास नहीं है वो बाद में
स्टेप्स लिख लो जिनके पास कंपास नहीं है, घर से ड्रॉ करके मुझे गूगल क्लासरूम पे भेजेंगे आप.
मैम ये लिख लिए, स्टेप्स लिख लिए.
गूगल क्लासरूम पे पोस्ट करेंगे ये कंस्ट्रक्शन.
ओके मैम.
Those who are drawing, were you all able to get both the arcs?
मैम और B से
Yes, ma'am.
When you draw
draw
two
an
arcs,
arc of radius 7 centimeter and with B as center, draw an arc of radius.
जब आप 5B से आर्क लगाएंगे तो पहले वाले आर्क को कट करेगा. Both the arcs cut each other and this point will be labeled as C.
5.5 centimeter. Both the arcs cut each other at C.
This is the only way of showing you this using the online class. I am showing you each and every step. First you drew AB, then from A we drew a 7 centimeter arc, then from B 5.5.
Step 3. Join AC and BC.
Now we have to join A
Step
and C,
4.
B and C.
With C as center.
Now from C as a center, C से आप आर्क लगाएंगे कंपास का मेटल पॉइंट. जब हम बोलते हैं C as a center, it means metal point to be put at C. जब हम बोलते हैं C as a center, it means metal point of the compass to be placed at C. We have to draw an arc of 4 centimeter.
Draw an arc of radius 4 centimeter and with A as center, draw an arc of radius.
Now from A, draw an arc of 6 centimeter.
6 centimeter. Both the arcs cut each other at A, B, C, D is the required quadrilateral.
CD. So this way, you will be able to construct a quadrilateral when 4 sides and 1 diagonal are given. Those who had the geometrical instruments, were they all able to draw? Children, I am asking you something.
Yes, ma'am, मैं दिखाऊं?
I'll see. Don't worry. I'll see. I'm just changing the view. I'm changing the view. I'll see. All those who had the instruments, were they able to draw? And those who did not have, had they all written the steps?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm coming back to the PPT. I'm coming back to the PPT. Now,
मैम ये जो वीडियो थी मैम आप इसका लिंक भेज दोगे?
हाँ भेज देंगे लिंक. I'll send the link. So this was your. Please move the window away from the shared. Can you all see the PPT? Children, can you see the PPT?
Ma'am.
Ma'am.
Oh, ma'am.
Ma'am, no.
I'm again sharing. Yes.
मैम आपने हटा दी.
Now
दिख
can you
रही है.
see? Yes.
Ma'am, आप दिख रही हैं.
So this was, today we have discussed the first type of construction. This is the first type of construction to construct a quadrilateral where 4 sides and 1 diagonal was given. And the same kind of construction we are going to do tomorrow also. Again, we are going to construct the same kind of quadrilateral. Draw a rough sketch so that we can construct easily. उस वाले पुराने वाले क्वेश्चन को नोट करो बेटा. मैं क्वेश्चन लिखवा रही हूँ. लिखो क्वेश्चन. Write this question. Construct a quadrilateral. Second question of the same type.
Okay, ma'am.
Construct a quadrilateral ABCD in which AB is 5 centimeter, BC is 7 centimeter, CD is 6 centimeter, DA is 6.5 centimeter, and AC is 8 centimeter.
मैम एक बार रिपीट करना.
Quadrilateral same तो नहीं है. चेक करो बेटा पहले. 5 centimeter is AB.
मैम अलग है.
हाँ, BC is 7 centimeter. BC is 7 centimeter. It is mentioned on the screen also. Can't you read from the screen? Are you all able to see the measurement on the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Note down then.
Yes, ma'am.
Note down. Hurry up. Should I move next? Draw a rough sketch.
मैम
Rough sketch.
मैम कर लिया. आगे
रफ स्केच ड्रॉ करो और घर से कोशिश करना. You'll try to form from home. साइक्लिक ऑर्डर याद रखना है आपने. ऑर्डर इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. रफ स्केच ड्रॉ करो. यस, मेंशन द साइड्स. साइड्स मेंशन करेंगे बहुत ध्यान से. Now draw this rough sketch. All of you, rough sketch can be drawn with free hand. Rough sketch can be drawn with free hand. We are left with only very less time. So you just draw this rough sketch and try to construct this with help of ruler and compass. Try to help it. Try to do it using ruler and compass. Stop sharing. Children, are you all able to hear me? Have you all drawn the rough sketch?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, syllabus 1, 2 और 3 chapter है.
Let the syllabus I'll tell you. Just prepare all the three. Okay, prepare all the three. Prepare all the three. I have put the alarm according to your timetable. 11:10 I think class was supposed to finish. We still have 1 minute. Yes, children, maybe because of some network issue, there was some error. Otherwise, we have tried to start with first type of construction. Open your book, see the case 1. One construction we completely did. Second, I have given you the rough sketch. You are going to construct from home. And tomorrow we are going to check all the steps. And let me see how many of you could do it. Am I clear to all?
Yes, ma'am.
Any problem to anybody?
No, ma'am.
And I'm going to tell your class teacher, she's going to report principal ma'am that you people were not switching on your videos. And I will, from tomorrow, I'll remove the child who will not switch on the video. Okay, goodbye children, take care, finish your work. In case you have query, you can ask me the queries. Am I clear children?
Yes, ma'am.
Goodbye, take care.